Welcome to Kids Entertainment. Today we learn the simple present and future tense. Let's start. The present tense is: I eat bread every day. I eat bread every day. The future tense is: I will eat bread tomorrow. I will eat bread tomorrow. The present tense is: I go to work every day. I go to work every day. The future tense is: I will go to work tomorrow. I will go to work tomorrow. The present tense is: I read a book every day. I read a book every day. The future tense is: I will read a book tomorrow. I will read a book tomorrow. The present tense is: She play tennis every week. She play tennis every week. The future tense is: She will play tennis next week. She will play tennis next week. The present tense is: The cat sits on the mat. The cat sits on the mat. The future tense is: The cat will sit on the mat. The cat will sit on the mat. The present tense is: The dog barks loudly. The dog barks loudly. The future tense is: The dog will bark loudly. The dog will bark loudly. The present tense is: I am happy. I am happy. The future tense is: I will be happy. I will be happy. The present tense is: She writes a letter. She writes a letter. The future tense is: She will write a letter. She will write a letter. The present tense is: They play soccer. They play soccer. The future tense is: They will play soccer. They will play soccer. The present tense is: He runs every morning. He runs every morning. The future tense is: He will run every morning. He will run every morning. The present tense is: The short line is visible on the screen. The short line is visible on the screen. The future tense is: The short line will be visible on the screen. The short line will be visible on the screen. The present tense is: She walks to the park every morning. She walks to the park every morning. The future tense is: She will walk to the park tomorrow. She will walk to the park tomorrow. The present tense is: The sun shines brightly today. The sun shines brightly today. The future tense is: The sun will shine brightly tomorrow. The sun will shine brightly tomorrow. The present tense is: He eats an apple for lunch. He eats an apple for lunch. The future tense is: He will eat an apple for lunch. He will eat an apple for lunch. The present tense is: I eat an apple for breakfast. I eat an apple for breakfast. The future tense is: I will eat an apple for breakfast tomorrow. I will eat an apple for breakfast tomorrow. The present tense is: The artist paints a beautiful picture. The artist paints a beautiful picture. The future tense is: The artist will paint a masterpiece. The artist will paint a masterpiece. The present tense is: The cat plays with the yarn. The cat plays with the yarn. The future tense is: The cat will play with the yarn. The cat will play with the yarn. The present tense is: They are going to the store. They are going to the store. The future tense is: They will go To the store. They will go. To the store. The present tense is. We sing a song. We sing a song. The future tense is. We will sing. A song. We will sing. A song. The present tense is. The children laugh joyfully. The children laugh joyfully. The future tense is. The children will. Laugh joyfully. The children will. Laugh joyfully. The present tense is. He writes a letter. He writes a letter. The future tense is. He will write. A letter. He will write. A letter. The present tense is. It rains heavily. It rains heavily. The future tense is. It will rain. Heavily. It will rain. Heavily. The present tense is. The dog barks loudly. The dog barks loudly. The future tense is. The dog will. Bark loudly. The dog will. Bark loudly. The present tense is. I feel happy today. I feel happy today. The future tense is. I will feel happy. Tomorrow. I will feel happy. Tomorrow. The present tense is. The flowers bloom in the spring. The flowers bloom in the spring. The future tense is. The flowers will. Bloom in. The spring. The flowers will. Bloom in. The spring. The present tense is. I am watching a movie. I am watching a movie. The future tense is. I will be watching. A movie. I will be watching. A movie. The present tense is. She is singing a song. She is singing a song. The future tense is. She will be. Singing a song. She will be. Singing a song. The present tense is. They are eating dinner. They are eating dinner. The future tense is. They will be. Eating dinner. They will be. Eating dinner. The present tense is. He is working on his project. He is working on his project. The future tense is. He will be working. On his project. He will be working. On his project. The present tense is. The cat is sleeping on the couch. The cat is sleeping on the couch. The future tense is. The cat will be. Sleeping on. The couch. The cat will be. Sleeping on. The couch. The present tense is. We are going to the beach. We are going to the beach. The future tense is. We will be going. To the beach. We will be going. To the beach. The present tense is. I am 50 years old. I am 50 years old. The future tense is. I will be 51 years old next year. I will be 51 years old next year. The present tense is. I eat an apple or a banana. I eat an apple or a banana. The future tense is. I will eat an apple or a banana. I will eat an apple or a banana. The present tense is. I walk to the store. I walk to the store. The future tense is. I will walk to the store tomorrow. I will walk to the store tomorrow. The present tense is. She is eating dinner. She is eating dinner. The future tense is. She will be eating dinner when the phone rings. She will be eating dinner when the phone rings. The present tense is. She walks to school. She walks to school. The future tense is. She will walk to school tomorrow. She will walk to school tomorrow. The present tense is. He plays soccer on weekends. He plays soccer on weekends. The future tense is. He will play soccer. Next weekend. He will play soccer. Next weekend. The present tense is. We study English. We study English. The future tense is. We will study English tomorrow. We will study English tomorrow. The present tense is. She sings beautifully. She sings beautifully. The future tense is. She will sing beautifully at the concert. She will sing beautifully at the concert. The present tense is. He plays the guitar. He plays the guitar. The future tense is. He will play the guitar at the party. He will play the guitar at the party. The present tense is. We eat dinner at 7 p.m. We eat dinner at 7 p.m. The future tense is. We will eat dinner at 7 p.m. tonight. We will eat dinner at 7 p.m. tonight. The present tense is. They travel to different countries. They travel to different countries. The future tense. They will travel to Italy next summer. They will travel to Italy next summer. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.